What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete Pillar of Tasks using the discovery queue in the store on Steam. So let's get started. So first you need to install the Steam application, and after installing the Steam application, you need to open it, and after opening it, on the right side at the top, you will see the Manage Account option. Click on that and then click on View My Profile. After clicking on View My Profile on the right side, you will see the option of Badges. Click on this Badges option, and from here, you will see a pillar of community wherein you need to complete all the tasks to get the badges. And the tasks are like this, like view a broadcast, add a friend to your friend list, post a screenshot, comment on a friend's profile, see your real name community profile, and very much tasks are there. You can just complete all those tasks and you can earn the badges. Now let's talk about this task like play a game. So if you install a game from Steam and play it, you will complete this task and then you will earn a badge from this task. And this is how you can complete all the tasks and earn badges, and you can use it to complete the pillar of community. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.